George will start working with me starting on November 1st.
Boom! You see how Easton University is a community? We get together. I told my wife about that, Phil. I was like, man, there's this guy, Phil. He's been on Easton University for 2 years. The guy knows his stuff. He's a complete baller. He's super great. George has been on Easton University for about 2 weeks, 2.5 months, and George had the guts. I'm like, I'm so proud of this guy. He had the guts to say, hey, guys, I'm on Team EU, right? I'm on Easton University. I'm looking for employment. And I said, and Phil had the smarts to go reach out to him. And my wife was like, I can see why that Phil is successful. She's like, do you know, Matt, how hard it is to find employees that are so motivated that they pay for their own training? They don't exist, right? She's like, this George guy is a unicorn. Everybody should be fighting over hiring him. So good for you, Phil. George, I don't know if George is on. I'm glad the two of you guys got connected. Big things are going to happen. So I'm super happy for both of you.